Yo, yo, yo. How are you guys? What's up? Muhammad, hello, hello. How are you, man? I'm doing good. Thank you for asking. Right, today we got a giveaway, boys. It's gonna be a fun one. For Forex, not much that I'm seeing. I'll give my analysis in a bit. For futures, let's see how it moves. But most importantly, we got a little giveaway today. So, hey, make sure to talk in the chat if you want to participate. Right, we got 5 likes already. God damn, you guys are fucking killers. Right. What's up, what's up? Who's watching? Who's watching? Okay, we got 4 people watching. Alright. Back to 3. Boys, comment on what you're seeing. Want to, of course, continue to prioritize longs on the future pairs, but all I'm seeing, all I would like to see, it's big sweep on the liquidity right here. Not just this, not just this, not just this. Might as well sweep the whole thing, is what I'm seeing. What about you guys? What about you, Mohammed? You guys ready for another week? Like I say, new week, new profits, baby. We got some funded accounts as well. Still got one account that's looking to be paused, looking to be funded. All we need is one nice little 3-hour win, which is the usual we go for, and we done with it. We have another funded. Okay, yeah, not seeing much. I can say what I'm seeing for you. I'm looking for shorts in both. I sent out this to my premium. We can have a sweep of the inducement, which is also making equal highs with Asia. Sweep of that, following a trap, or depending on if we're gonna be in London close or not. And if they continue to sleep, like you're saying, it might get to London close once the shorts appear. But yeah, this one I'm seeing sweep of that, then continue lower. For GU, similar kind of same thing, would be sweep of London highs right here, which is already done. So now this might be looking better than you actually. So now that we saw this sweep on GU, it's giving off a nice rejection from it, right? And it's breaking structure lower here, but I'm not looking to sell immediately. I'm looking for price to give it another sweep, touch the efficiency, and then go down. As we're doing 1 sweep and 2 sweeps. Super liquidity. Let me send this to my students, because it might be a probable one. This is decent. This is decent. Been waiting for the sweep since morning. Yeah, but it's London. Even though it moved a little bit, like I don't think we're getting much setups in London these days. I'm even avoiding it. Like right now, I'm just enjoying my life in the mornings, and then I'll look to trade New York only. Cause yeah, can't be bothered. And I would just have less of a win rate. Most of the times, I just get break-even trades, which I'm still losing a bit of the commissions. And yeah, it's not even that profitable for me. US 30 swept London. Let me see. But the market is not yet open. But it's nice. Let's see. Okay, swept London, but I don't like this whole structure. But I can see it in my YM. It swept London, yeah, but yeah, it still has a previously lows right here of Friday, and it still has this. So for YMs, but YM it's like NQNES for on steroids. So I think we can definitely get this or even lower until here, because in here we have some equal lows that we left behind, which also look very nice to get taken. Let's see, trying to follow the trend, prioritize the longs. That's true, kind of playing hard to get. I mean, yeah, it is hard to get. Unless you go for small stop loss sizes and I don't know, you get to trade the Asia counterpart liquidity, right? Because most of the times it's not even a continuation day. It's just you gotta understand that also New York moves a lot more, and New York likes to sweep the high and lows of London the same way London likes to sweep the high and lows of Asia. So in this scenario, it moved a lot. It swept Asia and then gave you a whole move to sweep the other side of Asia. In here, it gave a continuation, meaning it respected the London bias and the low of it. But yeah, most of the times it doesn't really do much. Yeah, it's kind of like this. But yeah, it's still tradable. Still tradable, but like we're refining to what's best for us. And boys, we're out here doing a giveaway, giving away 2 Apex accounts today. So tune in for that. Stay in, and yeah, the accounts can go from 25k to 300k. That's your choice. You'll get it for free if you win, and if you don't, there's still 48 hours of 80% off on Apex accounts, all sizes as well. So even if you don't win, you can take advantage of that. Let's see these features, how it opens. Has to do a lot of movement, unless we just go up from here. But yeah, what are you guys seeing? Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. This might work from here, GMS. We can have a price going higher from on the open. It is risky, but it can happen. If you're already on longs in here, good luck. No, we just had a melt in crypto today. Let me see. No, we're not coming to nothing. Oh, we're coming to this, but we swept this liquidity. But I thought we would sweep something better. ETH was the one which was crazy, right? Yeah. And how can you say liquidity doesn't work? Like, look at this perfect touch. I mean, it's maybe still like a support. Maybe it's still like just equal low. So we'll sweep it again, which will just make a double sweep, which is basically my strategy. But yeah, man, looks good. This is what I've been telling, even on stream. Ethereum possibly continue or possibly just sweep in this lower, as this low is in the middle of nowhere, and then use that liquidity to continue to the upside. So don't be scared of these huge moves. They're most likely manipulations just to sweep the overall liquidity. You got 4 minutes until futures markets open, or the New York Stock Exchange, whatever you like to call it. For the XY, let's see if at the same time, oh, they corrected this week. Let's see if at the same time we get this sweep on DXY, we get the same sweep on EU right here, which will most likely happen. But if it doesn't, and that means there could be some sort of a trap, or you might be too early into the setup. Like I mentioned, I want to see GU do another sweep to the upside and come to that efficiency, and then look for shorts. A bit same with EU, but EU still needs to sweep this and then deliver a trap. So maybe just sweep this and go down with London close. For futures, let's see how it opens in 3 minutes. What about you guys? What are you seeing? What are you seeing? Make sure to type in the chat, boys. We got a giveaway today. You only participating in the giveaway if you're a part of the chat. Because I appreciate you watching, but I can't see who's watching just from the viewers unless you comment. And make sure you subscribe, make sure you leave a like to participate as well. All right. And y'all can be having a nice 50k at the end of this stream. Okay. Can go up from here. We can open up. But that's not a reason for me to buy it immediately, right? Still gotta wait for the setup to appear. These are gonna be slow, yeah. Australian dollar also swept something in London. So right now, New York coming around, we might have a sweep of it. As I'm also anticipating for the XY to come lower, which is confluent to the buy to what I'm seeing in Australian dollar. So yeah, we just had this nice sweep of liquidity. Was made in London, and it is Forex, so we can definitely see a double sweep. And the reason why I say it's London is because this is an Asian and American pair. So it isn't the type of session that will make the overall sweep and make the movement. So yeah, definitely possible for us to just go down from here, sweep this, and then go up. What about you guys? What are you guys seeing so far? Is there anything looking nice for y'all in the market, or anything that you're already in? Let us know. We might do a quick analysis on it. Might give my opinion on it. 2, 3 seconds until opening. Alright, man. Come on. Make sure to drop your likes, boys. I'd appreciate that. Let's see what we can get today. Hopefully it's a trading day. I'm liking US 30 to target Asia high. Okay, nice, but nice. Can target way more than Asia high. I mean, yeah, Asia high first, then this one, then the previous daily high. But yeah, you can respect it as well. So yeah, Asia high is a good start. It's a good point to start. But are you already in the position, or you're still waiting for your entry? Oi. Let's see how these go. You can see how I'm marking the liquidities. You can see where price respects and bounces from. Okay, nice push by NQ. NQ is always faster than ES. If we see this, there could be a shorting position, but it's not what I would like to take. Waiting, okay. That's nice. That's nice. But hey, sorry. Knowing who I am, I think he can do a bullshit like sweep the previous daily low as he should, but uh, for my experience, he should also sweep this low. There's no point in sweeping only this and leaving this behind, as it will kind of build equal lows. But I can definitely see this fucking pair sweeping this and then going higher, kind of like it did in these equal lows right here. Swept London and all that, but then left all of this behind, and I'm seeing that a lot in backtesting as well. Nah, bro, this is just casual shit, man. It's a special day for the giveaway, but nah, man, nah. It's just casual shit, you know. Not just to impress, you know what I'm saying? Six-figure funded trader, not me. Yeah, little vibe. Appreciate you, that man. Appreciate you, brother. Let's see if the charts are vibing with us as well. Let's check. Who more is there, man? Who's watching? GMS, Mohammed. Who else is there? Like, say hello, man. Don't be shy. If you have any questions, just let me know. I can see every single message pull up in the chat, and I'll just respond to you without saying you have to buy my course to get the information. Alright, man. If ES is looking like this and Q it's much higher, yeah. But I really don't want to be risking the accounts on some shorts, though. Okay, if YM drops more, I'll buy this shit. But yeah, on the shorts though, nah. I got one account that just needs one good win, good setup for to be taken on a good win and we fund it. And then the two funded, I don't want to be placing them that risky trades on it. Yo, Adam, what's up? Make sure to leave your likes, guys. Make sure to participate in the chat. We're doing a giveaway on Apex. I didn't find Apex. What you mean you didn't find Apex? What you mean by that? You didn't find it online? It's a pretty big firm. The app. I mean, it's not an app. I don't even know if they got an app. It's a website. Like all the other prop firms. Apex Trader Funding. Okay. Why I'm dropping a bit? You did good on waiting, GMS. You did good on waiting. Right now, let's see if it reverses off of this low. Off of the sweep of it, the previous daily low. or if we just melt down further, and then it would be more safer longs, at least for me. Okay, GU is going up as well. That would be nice. So from what I'm seeing at the moment, is possibly some shorts on GU, and for futures, it's a waiting game. I can see some possible setups appear, but it's a waiting game still, because I don't know if those setups will get hit, if those zones will get hit. Yes, sir. Two sweeps. Yes, sir. The two sweeps, man. That's good, man. That's good. Okay. Anyone here trading gold? Let me see. Well, we're at all-time highs. Nah. Oh yeah, we are. For gold, yeah, risky to play the shorts. But hey, this would have been good as well. But it's FOMC and no way you could position yourself right here probably. But right now you're having the sweep of it. You having kind of price continuing, but you can map out your zones from just the sessions. So right now I just anticipate New York to do one more sweep higher, perhaps a trap following that. I mean, it's already delivering a bit of a trap, so maybe one sweep, maybe even two sweeps off of this level. Sorry about this, bitch. And then going a bit down. Because even if we're still bullish, like we can easily come back to this structure right here. So if your stop loss is quite small, or you can even take advantage of like 1 hour floating of profits just for your short. Yeah, can also come way deeper into this efficiency or sweep the whole thing. Definitely possible. Let me eliminate this. YM still deeping. I want to see the M5 candles. What's happening? Yeah, would really like to see this black line get swept. And yeah, I don't trust none of this. It's still gonna go up. And if it does go down and sweep this whole thing, even better. A crazy long on NQ. I'm up 4K. Yo, that's good. Thomas K, I never seen you here. Hello, hello. Yeah, I mean, that's good, that's good, that's good. I don't know how you took it. I mean, probably not conform to my strategy. Probably you trade a different thing. But well done, my friend. Well done. Well done. And to everyone that's new, we're doing an Apex giveaway today. So make sure you stay active in the chat. Make sure you leave a like. And perhaps you walk out with a new Apex account from this stream. Alright, alright. See, that GU is slow, man. Super slow. It's probably gonna be a London close one. Yeah, it might be a slow day, guys. It might be a slow day. But at least YM is always on steroids. But yeah, even then, participate on the stay participating in the live. Stay here, and we might give some. We might be sharing your comments on some YouTube shorts. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Okay. Maybe it was just once. I don't know, because I don't remember that often. But yeah, it is slow. But hopefully we get some moves so we can get a win. Yeah, or just nothing, and we just preserve capital. There's being some rejection. Anyone seeing any different pairs from what I'm seeing? Like some other Forex ones, which may be in good zones to either buy or sell. Good higher time frame ones, I mean. Exactly. Better than losing. Yeah, if we get this on GU, possible short. Futures, need to wait. I want to see how the next 15 minutes play out. Let me know if I'm capitalist, bro. Okay, me too. um, Let me know if everything's alright with the stream. If there's no technical problems. Number 4 in the world. What you mean, bro? Oh, good. Yeah, boys. Waiting on this, which is exactly what I said just now, and sent to my students. And EU kind of similar, just waiting off the trap of that level, but it might just be one sweep, as it can come to London close, and London close tends to not do a sweep, and London close since the market's already coming to an end. And now, if you would like to learn more, just go to my channel, or just ask the question. I talk about it all the time, but if you're new here or you don't know, just feel free to ask, feel free to talk, feel free to talk about anything in the chat. And Q might sweep that high. Let's see if it actually does. YM, I'm still waiting on this sweep and to see develop a bit more. I don't know, man. What are you guys seeing? You still in those longs, Thomas? Yeah, this is happening like I mentioned. Yes, it's being slow. Canal. Right, boys, make sure you... Okay, thank you for the likes, Make sure you comment as well, stay active in the chat. We're giving away some accounts today, Apex accounts. But even if you don't win, there's still an 80% discount in the next 48 hours. So take advantage if you want. Some dirt cheap accounts and get funded. Like we're about to do if we get a setup today. I mean, I'm already funded, but yeah, we got an account that only needs a simple win, and we Gucci. What about you guys? Any funded traders here in the chat? We usually tend to have a lot of killers in the chat. Let's get that sweep. Let's get that sweep, and then I don't know. I don't know if I'll take the shorts. Depends on how they look, but it's risky at the end of the day. It can't just continue to go up. Yes, it will still go up in YM. Just this sweep, just this sweep. Oil is very close to his equal lows though. I don't trade a lot of pairs, by the way. I'm just reviewing. And why did this week? I mean, we got these equal lows, but I don't know why this line is like here. Should be here. Yo, Wick, what's up? What's up? Nice seeing you here. Anything you taking today? Or did you already took? But I don't think so. Since I'm not seeing nothing. Well, from previous price section. But for London close, we might get some shorts on both EU and GU. Alright, delivering some traps, that's okay. Let me know what you guys are seeing. And yeah, a second sweep to GU would be nice. I don't think I'll take anything today, but let's see. Yeah. That's alright. Didn't feel like it today as well when I was seeing this, but yeah, we just swept this. The bias can still be bearish, and we having the two main sessions being bullish so far. And if we think we just swept something, that's true from the previous day, but we can continue down to these levels just to give off I mean, we're already doing it, but a huge rejection, a huge move, I mean, from this rejection right here that did this sweep, this overall high time frame sweep. And so DXY did a major sweep on its pair as well. So we can have price go up to sweep something to the upside, which can be this black line, let's say. So price can still drop on both EU and GU, or it might continue to still be bullish in the higher time frames, I mean. But yeah, for day trading, not moves until the moon, until like super long ones, I'm just seeing this possible shorts. And if it don't reverse from here, we can also come here and sweep these highs, these other previous daily highs. I mean, it is the previous daily highs from Friday. There was Asia right here. There was these inducements, and then come to these to either this or this efficiency right here. Right, so it would be something like this. But what I'm expecting today is kind of like this, if it happens. Do you have Nasdaq here? Of course, man, of course. We trade EUGU on Forex, and we trade ES, NQ, and YM on a Nasdaq. That's what I'm doing, and there's not many positions that I'm seeing today. For NQ, we are most likely going to sweep this, and but then I don't know if I want to take advantage of the shorts, because price can just continue to run. I would prefer to prioritize the longs, and even YM, we could see price go up from here, but I would prefer price to do this. If not, I will not execute on it. I don't know if some of y'all are new in the chat, but I'm not a scalper here. We might be 3 hours into this stream and no trades taken, right? We're promoting a real trading here. I'll look for shorts on EU and GU if the XY takes a... Yeah. That's exactly what I'm looking at as well. This Asia low right here as well. Heard about a giveaway. Apex isn't available in my country. That's a shame, man. That's a shame. Yeah, sometimes it happens. And Q, I'm waiting for a sweep. Which country are you from, by the way? So I can know. And Q, I'm waiting for... Yeah. Alright, we got 9 likes. Appreciate y'all for leaving a like. Oh, South Africa. Okay, okay, okay. I mean, we got a lot of people from South Africa. You guys should be you guys should be more active on the Discord. You could make some connections. There's a lot of traders from South Africa that I've heard from, that I know as well. Yeah, boys. Let's see. I mean, if Apex isn't available for your country and you trade futures, what like platform you guys trade from? I guess I could join. I just watch live. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just watch it. Join later, and then you can network with some other people. Because I think a lot of you guys are like missing out on that aspect. Like you're looking for people to trade from. Those are most likely gonna be online, but like there's some places like our community where you can just find people from your own country, and you can even speak the same language if it's different to English, and connect and possibly even meet them in person. Which for my case it wasn't exactly like that. Well, I could meet some people in person, but they were some fucking nerds. Go with Nasdaq. No, I'm in the prop firm, man. I'm in the prop firm. Like, what are you trading? Or are you trading personal capital? No worries, no worries. Appreciate you for being in life. And every single one of y'all. So, yeah, for all the others where Apex is available in your country, just comment in the chat, leave a like, and we'll give you some accounts later on. Ice Fund. Okay, okay, okay. The Funded Next normal or Funded Next futures? Probably the futures one, right? And how is it from your experience? If it's the futures one, because the Funded Next normal for Forex, I know. Okay, why I'm moving up? Both of them. Okay, okay, okay. How is the futures one? I think the challenge is quite hard compared to others, but then the payout conditions are good, right? Something like that. Sub Bill, I3 Bill X17. I don't think Dow 30 will take the low like you mentioned. Maybe not, bro. Maybe not. I also said it can reverse from here as we sweep the previous low, and sometimes I see this in YM, which I don't like very much, but sometimes it just respects lows and it makes equal lows and all that shit. Like here, it's respecting, kind of like we did here. Like I don't know why in this scenario we didn't just take this low and then went up, but we respect it. So that's just the craziness of YM. So I'm not suppressed that we reverse from here, but yeah, this is not my plan. This is not my setup. And you know what can happen as well? Can still come down and then take me out if I were to FOMO it on longs here. But yeah, let's see. I have this. I have this. Until I don't see something getting taken, I'm not touching it. I guess I can complain except the problem is the withdrawals take time. What you mean they take time? Isn't Fund Next is usually fast, man. They even got the thing of paying you $1,000 if the withdrawal doesn't arrive within the first 24 hours, I think. So then if they take long, it's actually a plus. Or you mean the days for the payout cycle? Because it shouldn't be much of a problem. No A plus setup on indices so far, unless for these who took long in pre-market session. Yeah, correct, correct. Like NQ and yes, definitely nothing. YM, it wasn't exactly pre-session, but yeah. Yeah, it's people that trade a different way, and sometimes these play out as well. We had London coming to this order block and end up working, but for me, no setup. Maybe it's within my country, but there's sometimes fast. All right, I'm from Portugal, man. What about everyone else in here? We got South Africa, we got Nepal, we got uh, Bahrain if it's still here. What else we got? What countries you guys from? Yo, by the way, did you backtest AU? Nah, not yet. And even if I trade AU, it would only be like high time frame zones. I don't want to be looking at it from a lower time frame perspective like I do on EU and GU, like every single day trading it, you know. But I would take a chance when we get like high time frame zones. But yeah, from what I'm seeing today, we're sweeping something. We're sweeping this low right here, and we might. I mean, we probably are. We have this sweep on London, so we might just get this sweep. I don't know why my indicators are not okay. Yeah, so London swept this, but it's Forex double sweep, and it's London making the sweep. So this is an Asian and American pair. No reason for London to be doing the sweeps. My God, man. Why don't we have a WhatsApp community? I mean, probably because I don't want people having my number. I don't know, man. I just think, isn't Discord better, bro, than just a WhatsApp community? Because even for that, the Telegram would be better. Yeah, I was doing the same thing. Only took high time frame zone trades. Only did 3.5 trades a month for a year during backtest, and the results were great, man. Okay, okay. How were they? Like average per month, let's say, and win rate, slash win rate, because you must have had. Yeah. 3 trades seems decent. Did you do 2024? I'm trying to get a whole year of YM first. I'm backtesting YM to see my result on it. It's definitely crazier than ES and NQ, and way harder for me a bit, just because it can give you some crazy moves where you can get stopped out in literally like a minute sometimes. But yeah, it was looking super bad, and then it was back to being a bit good. Meaning I did like minus 5% in the first month, but then I recovered it and put myself in profit for the year. Yeah, 24. I'll send you back testing channel to your server. Okay. Do you want me to share it on the screen on the stream? Oh yes, man. WhatsApp is where most people are active. Yeah, man. But nah. But Discord is way better, and you get the tabs and all that shit. Cause then it would just be people talking. Unless it was just me. And using like a Telegram channel or something. Cause yeah, it's way better if it's all like this, and people can send their Forex trades, their gold trades, their futures trades. People can talk. People can publish profits. And there's also my group here. I don't think WhatsApp would be the move. Like, that's just for me. I'll review it week. Sorry. Okay. 58% in a year is good, man. It's good. Yeah, this is a nice equity curve. 41% win rate. 42. Yeah, the win rate could be a bit better considering it's like a high time frame zone, and uh, it's like low frequency as well, low frequency of trades. But hey, it's still good. It's still good. I'm not gonna. I'm not shitting on it, by the way. It's just that like I could have like a 40% win rate and like 100 plus trades in here. But nah, you're still good. You're still good. And then wait, but your average risk reward is big. Okay. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry for disrespecting you, brother. Sorry. Nah, 4.6 is super good. Are you trailing like like the stop loss, or like once it gets like too close to 5, or you're not holding overnight? But yeah. And then you can see like why he's getting on good ideals average risk rewards, like where where his trades are going to. It's because he's using high time frame zones. You can see the potential on them. Oh, and you're not using break evens. Okay. And yeah, average drawdown is super. Nah, this is looking super good. Super good. And then I think like you had a slope here. You had like 2, 3, 4, like 5 losings in a row. But then through all of this, I'm seeing like 1, 2 losses, 1, 2 losses, 1, 2 losses. It's looking like good. Usually structure near 5 hour. Yeah. I get it. Because like then you are the profiting so much, you just trail it aggressively. The timings changed and you forgot about it. Oh, okay. I pray that whoever gets the account is blessed, because I wish it was me. I know it, bro. Yeah, you got the 10 likes. Thank you guys for liking. But now it isn't like one person that's getting an account. It's two people. Because we have 2 accounts to give out. I could have done better, to be honest. It's too. You can always do better. But it's good results. Is NQ flying? Yep. Yes, a little bit. Okay. Let's watch this NQ. And how about RUGU? Nothing. But still anticipating a sweep to the upside on both. Right, and it's still only 4 p.m. 4 p.m. timing, UTC plus 2. Good timing for price to move. And then in 1 hour, you got the London close. So yeah. Only thing interesting so far, it's this NQ, which we'll see what it does. But interesting, but risky. I don't want to be taking shorts, honestly, depending on how they look. So how many trades do you take a week? And doesn't trading many symbols mess with your mindset? Doesn't mess with my mindset, right? I've already built enough tough skin throughout the years to be messing with my mindset like that. I don't believe I trade many symbols. I'm saying that, but at the same time, now it has become 5. But hear me out. Like, I'm watching I have a bunch of things in my watch list, but I only trade EUGU, ES, NQ, and YM. YM added recently. But look, EU and GU, they're both correlated. Right? They're the Forex pairs which are more correlated. Whenever there's a setup on one, there's a setup on the other, most likely. Right? So that itself, it's not even like 2 pairs, it's like 1.5 pairs. Right? Or even just 1 pair, because they're both correlated, like I said. ES and Q and YM, whenever you get a setup on one, there's most likely a setup on the others. As you can see, if I pull up the M15, right, you got NQ, you got ES, you got YM. You can see how those charts are pretty similar, at least for ES and NQ, right? So it's kind of the same scenario. Whenever there's a setup on one, there's a setup on the other. Now, yes, if I'm looking at one sometimes whenever I'm super focused on one, might miss a setup on the other if there is some. And sometimes I look at EU, for example, I say, the day is dead. There's nothing here. And because of that, I don't look at GU, and GU ends up having something. That's a mistake from my part. 5 symbols are more than enough. Yeah, of course, of course. I mean, I would recommend you guys to just trade one. Just trade one. Buys play out nice. Oh, let's fucking go. Let's fucking go, man. You took them? Okay, yeah. Yeah. You got the 1 sweep, you got the 2 sweep. And then, yeah, sweep of the previously low. But, of course, I would prefer this liquidity right here. And right now that we already sweep this, anything happen, we gonna definitely sweep highs. Why not sweep Asia highs as well? And, yeah. I guess you took something like this. This is what I would have been taking. It would have been like close to 2R right now. And then 3R until Asia highs. Good shit, man. Good shit. Seen it for a while. So can you explain YM? I mean, YM is just Dow Jones. It's just a futures pair tradable to Dow Jones. Same way as NQ is Nasdaq. Same way as ES is S&P 500. There's just that. Only thing is, it's like these two on steroids. 2 sweeps are money. Exactly, bro. Exactly. Tell the people that. Tell the people that, and tell the people who talks about the double sweeps. Because for sure, it ain't these motherfuckers telling you what's a session, what's a pip. If you get profitable with that shit, psh, good luck. Ay. Okay, awesome. Man, but you're from South Africa, but you have a dope name, man. Jivens on Saint, like some French shit, but like your name is dope, man. I don't know if that's usual South African name. I gotta go to Cape Town though. New York. I prefer New York session. And for Forex, London close, which is still New York session, but it's the, let's say, the part after local morning of New York session, which is at the end of the day in local London, and it's in the afternoon part, like 11. Well, it's still like 11 a.m. Eastern time. So it's just after the kill zone of New York. It's when London close starts, and usually like a retracement of the day. That's why I watch the stream, brother. I like your trading style. Thank you, man. Thank you, bro. I appreciate that. Thanks. I appreciate it again. If you come, I'd be honored if you come. Awesome, man. Awesome. Yeah, man. You boys, let me know if you follow me on Instagram, and if you see me pulling up to your city or your country, just drop me a message, man. I'm almost all over the world. Right now, I gotta go back to Asia soon. I mean, I say I got to. No one's forcing me to, but yeah. Tiny bit of sweep moving down from here might be a smart money trap. Might have a second sweep to it, and then go down, as it's gonna be London close as well. and then London Close likes to do traps in futures. Yo, from Morocco, man. I was gonna visit Marrakesh, Marrakesh, or however you pronounce it. It was a while ago, like 2 3 years ago. But yeah, then we changed locations, and then oh, you live in Marrakesh? Oh, awesome, man, awesome. Maybe I'll drop you a visit someday. Maybe I'll drop you a visit because I like it. I like it. No, definitely the same. I trade same as here, but only two trades is what I look for. Okay, but you trade futures, right? Why would you trade in London on futures? I mean, there's some people who I see, and I even know some that like manage to get around it, but I wouldn't look to trade futures in. I wouldn't trade. I wouldn't look to look. Sorry, I wouldn't look to trade London on futures as it's like American, right? So yeah, the London moves will just most likely be dead, depending on how you trade, of course. Have you ever considered trading a trading boot camp? We kind of had a plan like that in here, where everyone was like dropping back testing. Everyone was on crazy development. We were. I even dropped some videos for people to be. I look at this, boys. Oh my god! You know what this is? Shish. Um, that's just nostalgia to me of the good old days. And but yeah, we were. It was a while ago. Everyone was backtesting every single day. Did a bit of a challenge here. Maybe, bro. Maybe I'll do so. But like, I don't know if I'm still big enough to do that type of shit. You know, if I have enough audience, cause I even do free stuff like free calls. Not a lot of people pull up to them. People don't really want to take advantage of the free stuff. I mean, this is free, but I guess this is just for the sake of signals. Some people just want the signals in here. I wouldn't be surprised of it. Yeah, and then they watch it, they see there's no trades because I'm not trading every single day, and then boom, they miss the winners that we take. Even Forex, but only you. Oh, okay. Yeah, if you're trading EU, just make sure to watch to watch out for the double sweep, like we say. Free calls. Yeah, man. I've I've been doing it not consistently because recently I mean not failing a lot, but I don't have motivation. Like I'm literally giving out my time, which is super busy, until free calls, and then like a lot of people don't show up to it. I mean, not blaming them, but yeah. But then they say like they don't need like they act like they need help, they need help. But then once you give them help, like they just want prop firm challenge in reality. I want that. I'll DM you IG for a free call. I mean, nah. I already canceled the free calls. Honestly, I won't be doing them. It's too much of a pain in the ass, and then there's like just 2 or 3 people that come, and like I put a vote out on them to see whether people like it on Thursdays or Sundays. People chose Sundays, and then London session or New York session, just to of course the market is closed, but it's just to keep in mention or keep like factor the timing because everyone's from a different time zone. People voted for that, but then like the people that voted don't even come. I mean, yeah, why the fuck would I still be doing them? Just a waste of my time, technically. I mean, I would love to network with y'all, but like, no one. Most of the times, I'm just there sitting by myself 10 minutes. But I can accept that. I became too focused on my stuff, and then the Discord became kind of dead, and for that the calls also became kind of dead. But like everything I learned were from those free calls. Yeah, of course. But you're the type of guy that takes the free stuff seriously. I mean, you probably new to that and you didn't know about it, but Wick participated a lot of them, man. I know he took advantage, and shout out to him, and all the people that took advantage. But nah, if you want dope free value, just go to my YouTube channel. It won't be as much personal, or just like drop some message in here, and I'll answer your question, and I'll give you a bit of a mastermind mentorship type of learning in here, because I don't hide any information. But yeah, man, like teaching people for free, it's risky, man. It's risky because you might just be wasting your time for someone that just like doesn't give a fuck. No, thank you, Vic. Thank you. But yeah, I'm still dropping out the gems in here, and I'm most knowledgeable than ever. Who got the most value from free call? I mean, the people who are there and asking questions or listening, but Wick is definitely one of them. Less Hope, which is his friend. Uh, there is some other people that got some value. But yeah, of course, not everyone will make it, and then. But yeah, it was probably Wick. Wick is a G, man. At the same time, man, I'm not huge. But at the same time, it will become to a point where I'm that huge where I can't just be on a call with multiple people. And I mean, these calls weren't like these live streams where it's just me talking, all right? Everyone had access to me. Everyone could speak. Everyone could, like, turn their mic on and just say whatever. I didn't even bother learning a strategy, just copied everything. I mean, that's exactly how you're supposed to be doing, guys. You first you build a foundation of a strategy of a mentor's content, right? You only pick one person, at least for the technicals, and you copy everything. And then once you start to getting profitable, you start to pick up things about yourself, things about your psychology, things that you can refine and improve in your strategy. Because me and Wick, we might trade the same strategy, but sometimes we might see different stuff. Sometimes I might choose not to take a certain setup that I'm seeing, and he actually takes that setup. And right now that he's gotten to a certain point where he's already like built a foundation, right now he's taking stuff on his own, like the break-even management, where I suppose that you no longer trail your stop loss to break even, where I still do, which is different, you know. One small change like that can change the results drastically. Every day I'm make sure I'm with you because this is my first time. Okay. Oh, is this the first time you tune into a live stream of mine or like content of mine? And appreciate you guys for the 10 likes. Really appreciate y'all for that. Hope you're not mad about the free calls. I just canceled it like a few days ago. Really, if you go on the events, but like. I got so much shit to do. I just hope y'all like understand my from my part as well. Oh, we got the sweep of it. It was I just hope y'all understand that because like I don't really like to like waste my time. I like to keep like get busy with my time, and then okay, I'm doing this for free for the people and all that stuff. Let me pull up to the stream, and then like nobody shows up. And then yeah, people don't often like take shit seriously when it's free, because you would just think, oh, if it's free, it's some bullshit. It ain't worth nothing. You follow me on IG, I check your stuff each and every day. Oh, okay, awesome, awesome. Appreciate you for that. Cheer boys, honestly, I wouldn't bother with any calls if I were in your shoes as well. Yeah, yeah, man. Appreciate y'all for getting it. But yeah, it's gonna eventually it's gonna come to a time where I'm not that accessible to everyone, and even these chats like take advantage of this. Imagine if I mean, if once I become big, like I will be not able to even see the chat, like every single message one by one, because that shit would just be speedrunning. That's if I'm live streaming, you know. Okay, we got this sweep, and remember to participate, guys. We got a Apex giveaway going on. So yeah, make sure you participate in here. We got several people typing in the chat. Also leave a like. But thanks to those calls being empty, I got to ask about everything. Exactly. And same with this, only 6 people watching. I can see everything popping off. You just need to take advantage, like Wick did. Like a profitable trader that passed through for an account, that watched my shit, that went to calls with me and asked me stuff. Right? Key point here is to take fucking action. Alright, the markets are pretty dead today, but let's still wait like an hour or so. See what London close brings. Yeah, this Australian dollar is very close to sweeping it, like I mentioned it. Does this make part of your high time frame setups week? If Australian dollar sweeps this and you try to long? The black thing on the high, is that an all-time high? On NQ, you mean? On NQ, yeah. I mean, it's just a high. The black lines are like medium like liquidities. I mean, it's still good. It's a previously high, but the red ones are the major. I'm not planning to take in that unless it matches as the XY as well. And I don't think you will today. I mean, I think you will today. I mean, the XY? Don't know. Let me see. Yeah, the XY. The XY has a lot more distance to it than the actual Australian dollar pair itself. So yeah, it might not correspond. If this was EU, clear setup to the downside. Clear short to the downside. Alright, thanks for the information. This is just an existing moment for me. You're witnessing something great, man. You're witnessing something great. In a few years, you're gonna be looking, damn, look at Dylan, that Bugatti, you know? I used to watch his live stream when he had like 7 people watching him. Like 10 likes in this bitch. But you also gotta believe it, man. You gotta also think the same way. And I'm gonna tell you, I'm not the most confident, most egotistical. Sometimes I'm arrogant as fuck, but deep down I'm a bit unconfident, really. But yeah, you gotta think the same when it comes to your trading. Cause how do you think I became profitable? It was not by thinking trading is a scam. No, I don't think anyone can succeed in this business. Like then, so what will you wait for when you see the liquidity sweep? Depends on the timing. Depends on the timing. But most of the times, if we're talking about Forex, I'll wait for a smart money trap, which is a second sweep to it, which was what also GMS was saying. And he got himself a win. and if it's futures, then just a liquidity sweep and a breaker structure. If we're in New York, but at the same, like I mentioned, depends on the timing. Same way, I may not wait for a smart money trap if we're in London close on Forex. It's a whole complex thing. But if you've been on my channel for a while, you know about it. You know about it. So yeah, to any new people out there, I'll recommend if you want to learn how to trade, I mean, go to my channel. Go to my channel. There's enough content there to make someone profitable. Right? The content on YouTube is the ingredients, and in my mentorship is the recipe. You know. So my mentorship is step by step, but on the YouTube you got everything as well. But it's the ingredients which you gotta kind of make the cake yourself. Let's say you gotta figure what amount of the ingredients is this, what amount is that. So yeah, so it's all deorganized, as there's not like video by video, step by step plan on everything that I know. Yeah, it is risky. It would have been something like this. It is risky because then it's gonna be London close as well. And I'm not trying to risk some funded, and I'm not trying to risk some same entry on futures. Wait, you gonna trade this? Let me know if you're gonna short and queue here. But yeah, I'm not trying to risk the funded and the challenge that's already close to being passed. YM is dying off. Yes, we'll probably continue to the upside until this liquidity doing the same thing as NQ did. So that's another reason for NQ to continue to go higher, whilst AES does the same liquidity sweep. Right, we got 4 people watching. I appreciate everyone that's watching, but make sure you participate. We got an Apex giveaway going. We're giving away 2 accounts in this live stream. Right, and we got 4 people watching. We got 4 people watching, but I'm leaving two accounts. But I guess some of you won't be able to get them as it's not available in your country, which is a shame. But just keep in mind of that, right? If you're new here, two accounts being given away. Make sure you are active in the chat. I'll give you a bit. Leave a like as well to participate, right? We're gonna be giving away on this stream. So make sure you stay here, or if you can't, just come back later and see if you've won. Right? Yeah, I'm just gonna mark it out. I'm not gonna trade this, but it's just an example. It's just an example. Boom. Like this. But yeah, I really wanted to see this, man. This would have been good. But right now, as it's coming to London close and it's still a bit far, I don't know if we'll get it. I mean, the way you use your trading. Oh, okay. Yeah, my type of entry is just stop order. Just stop order on the breaker structure or on the M5 candles. So I stay in the trade. And if I'm right, you'll see that beautiful precision of price just going from that level. I'll show you what I mean exactly here. This win that we got on Friday, which I mean the entry wasn't called out on the live stream because it was taken like an hour 45 minutes before the live stream started. But then we started the live stream, I was already floating profit and then got the TP hit, and I called out everything on my premium group. Okay, boom. But this is not for people to copy and whoa, we're profitable, right? This is just 10% of what someone needs to become a profitable trader. It's just to get the vision. Just for my students, it's not that much important. So today I'm not seeing a clear setup on NQ and many more. Honestly, I'll look for a valuable one on Tuesday. Yeah. It's a shame because Mondays and Tuesdays are my most profitable days of the week on futures. So yeah, I was expecting something today. I mean, if we didn't get it, no one's pointing a gun to my head telling me to trade. That's a little tip for y'all. Because some need it, but yeah. Got 10 likes. If we can get to 15, boys, that would be amazing. If you're watching this stream and still haven't left your like, make sure you do. And if you want to exchange like for information, just make sure you ask your question in the chat and I'll respond to you. Thank you for the like. Yeah, guys, just give me a second. I'm going to the toilet real quick. Make sure to fucking comment, like, participate. We gotta give an Apex account real soon. Okay. We back. Lost only one person. Right? Who type 1 in the chat if you want a free Apex account. If you want to win an Apex account, right? We're not in this, of course. Type 1 in the chat. Right? Type 1 in the chat if you want an Apex account. If you want to win an Apex account. Alright, GMS. Andy's the number 1 fan. Come on, 1. One, come on. Yeah, you guys were watching, but you didn't comment, huh? Motherfuckers. Nah, you're not forced to comment. Well, you can do. Okay, okay, okay. So I'm gonna do a roulette thing, and I'm gonna add the people that are on the top 10 and those that just commented one. Always here, yeah, we're always here, but gotta talk to me, brother. Gotta talk to me, because otherwise I'll just be speaking by myself. Gotta motivate me to do these. I'm just waiting. I'm just doing this for this month. Then if I like it, if I miss it, I'll come back to it here and there. So let me see. Wheel simulator or some shit. Nah, this ain't it. or wait, I did research and I mean, alpha. I wouldn't trust alpha, but that's a topic for another day. Let me do date, not date, number simulator, number generator, and we're gonna do. Nah, don't stop streaming. Good vibes. I mean, I appreciate that, brother. But this is like a 9 to 5 for me. It steals my fucking freedom because I'm not just here looking at the charts, you know. I'm just not here looking at the charts for 2-3 hours. I have my zones. Once they get hit, I look into the markets. Oh, futures. I mean, he's not here though. He's not here though. That's kind of cheating though. All right. But nah. Nah. If you win, I'll give it to you. Then let's see. I'm just gonna do top 10. I don't know if you guys can see, but I can see the top 10 fans. Well, it's gonna blow it anyway. I'm just gonna do the top 10 of people that been typing in the chat. So if you've been typing in the chat, you're good. But if you've just been watching from the sidelines and not took action, then well. So boom, number 5, Jivenson Saint. You have won the account. Wheels of Name is the name of the website, I think. Yeah, but I have to type all the names. I don't know. I don't know if you can if y'all can see the top 5 fans. It's a bit easier for me to be putting all the names. We got 11 likes. Thank you, boys, for liking it. Congratulations. I'm done trading. I'm just chilling. Enjoy this. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Yeah, all you have to do is ask questions as well, and I'll drop the gems for sure. But right now, let's see who wins the next one. Number 9. Number 9, it's DZM. DZM M6M. If he's out here. So congrats to Jivenson and congrats to DZM. If you guys want to redeem your account, just make sure to hit me up on Discord or Instagram with proof that you're subscribed, that you've liked the stream, and I can see your YouTube account. So yeah, if I don't receive nothing within the next 24 hours, just I'll just give it to somebody else. But it's a shame, man. It's a shame. Jimmy, I mean, congrats to all the winners. But GMS was on the top one. You deserve it, man. You deserved it. Where are you from, GMS as well? I don't know if you've mentioned it. Yeah, congrats in the chat. Congrats in the chat. You guys are dope people, man. If this was one of those big streams, that people would have been like, man, fuck that guy. Should have been me. Yeah, I don't know. Let me know if you guys can see the main fans tab on the chat. But yeah, I was not cheating here, just so y'all can see. But yeah, the top three was GMS, the game, and Fahid Hawad. I don't know if I butcher your name, probably. Yeah, Wick won another one. Toronto, Canada. Awesome, man. Awesome. I know I've got a good friend, trading friend that's from there. That guy a killer as well, and he's from Toronto. And sometimes he's in this stream. He's not here right now, but shout out Luke. I mean, I don't know, maybe he is. Yeah, if I hit you top three, my guy. I mean, you can see it. You can see the top three in your names. When shall we short this fucking entry? I'm not shorting this bitch, man. You feel free. You feel free to do it. Hey, just make sure the winners reach out to me in Instagram and Discord. Like, I can't reach out to y'all in YouTube and contact y'all. So make sure you reach out to me. My links to my socials are in the description. Say hi to Drake. I mean, there's nothing. It's one of those days where there's nothing, right? TPH highs. I mean, boom, you got it. At least for my indicator, you got it. Unless you're looking for these type of inducements here. But you got it. Congrats to GMS. Fucking sniper. Sniper US 30 longs. Got 7 people watching, 11 likes. I appreciate y'all for the likes. We just had 2 Apex accounts being given away. If you've missed your chance, well, better luck next time, man. Better luck next time. I'm not talking about the people that was present already. I'm talking about the people that just miss out. I think we might have a continuation to the upside and have a strong sell maybe tomorrow. I don't know about the strong sell because it's all-time highs, right? You might get trapped just by trying to short, call the tops and call the lows. Do you have an indicator of yourself? I mean, you can see it on the chart. This is my custom indicator. It's like 20 indicators in one. I'm mostly just using it for the sessions and the kill zones and this little thing right here that you're seeing, but there's a bunch of stuff in the indicator, really. It can't even be public on TradingView because TradingView will just ban it. As it's, if you got it, then there's no point for you to buy the TradingView Premium. Because the main reason for people, I guess, it's to have multiple indicators. Or one other reason. But yeah, the best indicator you can have is your eyes, man. I remember I asked that question in the chat, no one was getting it. The best indicator you can have is your goddamn eyes. The indicator of sessions, I wouldn't even classify it as an indicator, really. It doesn't, like, it just helps me to see where, like, the sessions, where price was at. Because otherwise I just feel like the chart is naked, just for me to see what's getting swept. What's the name? I mean, I just told you it can't be public. You can't get it unless you're my student. I've only given that to my students. Because you need, like I said, you guys have to reach out to me in my socials. Because otherwise, I don't know who y'all are. You know, make sure to reach out to me after this live, and I'll send you the code for the free Apex accounts. And make sure to also give me proof, of course, because there might be some fucking rats that might impersonate y'all. So just make sure you send proof of your YouTube account with my channel being subscribed, this live stream liked, and I'll give you the codes for the accounts. I mean the codes will last until November 30. But like if you put it right now, you have like the challenge, the subscription for the challenge for free for the first month. And I mean, in futures, all you need is 1 month to pass the challenge. Either pass it or blow it. I wouldn't recommend you to have to spend more than 1 month in the challenge, like Forex. But yo, guys, if you didn't win, don't get demotivated. You still got 48 hours of 80% on Apex by using the code Dylan. Literally, you can get dirt cheap accounts. These ones are free, but even if you pay for them, it's not that much. Really go check and look. You'll be surprised how much is it. Use the code Dylan and you get 80% off in all evaluations. Right, and a pro tip that you can do if you're profitable and you want to go aggressive, you can buy up to 20 accounts, put them all on the trade copier, full porting them all at once, and then get 20 accounts funded. That's 50k or whatever evaluation that you go for, and then just trade them all at once. And that's how these guys get literally payouts, crazy payouts, because they do one trade that's like 1k, 2k, 3k, but then multiplied it by 20 accounts, which gives them a whole 20k, 30k payout. That's what you mostly see in the future space. I personally prefer, my win rate isn't that big, and I personally prefer to do the rotation method. But yeah, what are you guys seeing in these London close timing? Is GU moving? It's moving a bit. Okay. Let's see if we can get this sweep the next 1-2 hours. I might not be in the stream until that point, but if we do get a sweep here and it's not that late, I might short it. Right, what about you guys? If you're new in the stream, just missed out on the giveaway of 2 Apex accounts being given, but make sure you continue to tune in. I'll do more in the future. Yeah, you can do so. US30 can go there for sure. It's still ripping. It's still ripping. This is why I say this fucking pair is like NQ and ES on steroids. So if you can predict the direction, you'll be in good. Yeah, of course. A win rate above 50% doesn't like even a win rate of 90% doesn't mean you're profitable. A win rate of 10% doesn't mean you're unprofitable. There's the factor of the risk reward, which a lot of the let's say unprofitable people that know anything don't know about. But yeah, as long as the two equate to a profitable edge, you're good. That's right. but then you got things that you gotta factor in, right? Because if my win rate is low, uh, that means like I'm being too much of a crazy head to be full porting things. For the example I was giving of full porting a bunch of accounts at once. Yo, what are you guys seeing? What are you guys seeing? Boom. Yeah, I think I have an alert on this. I need to see this getting swept on GU. Boom. And what about you guys? Any trades? I mean, I know GMS took a banger on YM and is still ripping. Still ripping. Congrats to him. Congrats. And he's done for the day, right? But yeah, just what about you guys? Because if you have nothing, it's not a problem as well. I mean, I have nothing so far. I've been live streaming the most part of New York session. I have nothing as well. Okay, yes, swept the high. Oh yeah, alright, I've already seen it. So yeah, since New York ran a bit away from the liquidity sweep, right now it is London close, man. You can have price going down from here or delivering a trap, meaning like a second sweep, still play around, and then actually go down from this level on ES. And NQ kind of sort, but NQ is not looking that clear anymore as it keeps going up. I think right now this GU can be the GU right here and ES short maybe. Everyday people, I'm going somewhere. I will rewatch this when I get back. Hey, appreciate you for being here, man. Have a great day. Have a great day. Yeah, TP should have let a runner, but too much liquid. Nah, bro. Nah, don't even think about that, bro. Cause what if the opposite would happen? You know, just get your TP and you good. How much was that? 3R? Even 5? Or was it 3? Nah, you could have gotten like a 5 maybe. I don't know. Depends on how you manage your stop loss. But this was a runner. This was a runner that you had either way. I think it's a good decision. Either that or you just trail your stop loss aggressively. You see like on these green candles, you just trail it aggressive. Okay. Yeah, Australian dollar is respecting, but it will break it today or tomorrow. Either way. Yeah, 3.5. 3.5 is good. It's good. It's awesome. You took that on a challenge? You also trading prop firms? Or a funded account? Ah, fucking hell, man. This is playing too much. Yeah, it's not a good day. It's not a good day. It's not a good day. Okay, funded pips. You mean funding pips? Funded pips. I don't know if I know that firm, or if it's just like, or if you mean funding pips. But yeah, phase two. Congrats, G. Congrats. Nice one. Nice one. Alright, boys. Any other pairs you want me to look at, or any question that you want to make, and for me to give value to you? I'm not seeing much today. Don't think there's much point. Keep looking at the chart. Yeah, funding pips. No worries, man. Because sometimes there's like firms with similar names. So I didn't know if you typed it wrong or it was just like a firm which I didn't knew of. But yeah, funding pips is good. But yeah, they also got um, a futures firm right now. If you guys want the code for it, also getting accounts for cheap, you can get my code link in the description. It's just Dylan Torres. And you also get cheap accounts. But the cheapest out of them all, and where the scalability factor is the craziest, is on Apex. So if you want some accounts for some 50Ks for like 20, 30 something dollars USD, go use my code at Apex. Still got 2 days for it. And the more accounts you get, the more likelihood you get to being funded, right? And these, because these you just take them as business expenses. Like you always get multiple, then you blow some, you pass some. I think that's just better than just getting one, blow it, okay, get another, blow it, then get another, blow it, and this way you're using the rotation method. I'll drop a video on it soon, but it's the best strategy to get funded, right? My God. So yeah, nothing here. GU is playing, U is playing. Probably there won't be much. Anything else you guys want to touch on? Take advantage, boys. Take advantage. I can see everything. If you got a question, man, if you've been dealing with something, just ask. You got the power to. I can see every single message. You don't get much of these anywhere, much of this anywhere else. Damn, am I losing some likes or what? We was at 11 right now. We're at 8. Am I being that bad? Yeah. Yeah, boys. If there's nothing, we'll just end it right here. There's nothing on the markets. There's not much on the chat. If you guys good, then we're good, and we'll stop it right here. It's been a pleasure either way. Shout out to the 2 boys that won Apex accounts. Have a great day, week. Have a great day or evening, depending on what the time is there. And yeah, boys, continue to join the live streams as we're still doing it this week throughout the entire of the week. Yeah, it's not a good night then. Enjoy your day, GMS. Thank you for hopping in as well. Thank you all for joining the live stream. It's always a pleasure. And make sure to leave your likes if you still haven't. But yeah, boys. And these next few days, you might get a nice little trades. And is this bitch? Yeah. This bitch is crazy. This bitch is crazy. Right, so hey, appreciate you boys. See you on the next time. Make sure to reach out to me if you want another account. Alright, peace out, boys.